Hey guys, welcome back to Car Spec Garage. Today it's all about my 2020 Porsche 992 911. Today we received the rims in from Aston Forged, who is sponsoring this video. Thank you very much for sending the rims. We're excited to get them installed. I've been just researching these guys and talking to other Porsche owners that have purchased rims from Aston Forged. And I tell you what, I've had nothing but just rave reviews from them. So I was lucky to partner with them. And we're going to link their website and description down below, and a link to these rims specifically, so that if you're looking for these for your 911, they'll be, send them an email or purchase them online and they'll be shipped to you. So yeah, so let's get on with the video. Okay guys, right before I show you how the center locks work on these rims, I just wanted to give you a quick view of them individually. So these here in the front are for the front of the car here. And you'll notice the red satin ring around the rim here. I absolutely love that. I think that's gonna really pop well with the car itself. And then here on the back, you've got the rears. Same thing, the red rim here on the edge. Again, this is gonna look absolutely amazing. So let me get the camera set up on the tripod and I will show you exactly how the center locks work on the car. All right, guys, hopefully you'll be able to see this well. So this is one of the front rims. And as you can see, this is just a plate with 3 screws. So once the center lock comes off, you'll put the lug nuts will be behind this plate, which I'll show you. So we'll just take off these 3 small screws here. Here. And there we go. So this is just a small plate, as you can see here. And let me bring it down a little bit. So just a small, thin aluminum plate. And then you've got here, the lug nuts go here. And then once you have the lug nuts in, then you get the plate, you put the plate back. If I'll get it set up properly. There we go. And we'll get the screws back on. Careful not to scratch up the plate here, the finish on the plate. And they don't have to be really tight because you're going to have the center lock right behind it, which is going to hold, or right on top of it, which is going to hold everything. So, all right, so that's done. And then you've got, I'll show you the center lock. So here's the center lock here. So it's metal, but it is the part that screws in is plastic, so which is fine. It's still going to look absolutely amazing. I mean, just look at the quality of the Porsche logo. So all you do is just screw it down. All right, and then it comes with this it's a 3D printed tool. I'm not quite sure how tight they've got to be, but it just comes on here and you can just kind of cinch it down by hand a little bit. And we'll rotate it around here. Zoom out. So there you go. So this is basically what it's going to look like. All right, guys. So there you have it. That's what the wheel looks like with the center lock on. So thankful they came in before next week when I head down to Amelia Island for the big car show down there, and there's going to be a big Porsche club car show as well that I'm going to be attending. So hopefully some people will be going to it and we'll be able to meet up. And if everything goes well, the next video you're going to see will be with these rims on, which will be next Monday or Tuesday. Today is Saturday. And then we'll get those put on and show you what they look like on the car, and show you what the transformation of the car looks like. Because if you look here, these are the rims that they're going to be replacing on my 992, and definitely excited. I'm not a big fan of these rims. I mean, they don't look bad, but these black GT3 style rims are going to look really, really good on them. So till the next video, please like and subscribe, and ring that bell. It definitely helps me build the channel and give you guys content. Till the next video, make it a great day.